Alhamdulillah, thumma salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Fassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, today I'm going to be showing you how to launch your campaign. So, the first thing we need to understand when launching our campaign is the campaign setup. And is that for every campaign, there are three levels to it. The first level is called the ad level. The second level is called the ad set level, while the third level is called the campaign level. The ad, when you have two, three ads together, they form one ad set. And when you have two or three ad sets together, it forms a campaign. So the fact that I said we have two or three ads, it can be more, it can be 10, it can be 20. But what I'm just trying to say is when you have your ads, multiple ads coming together, they come together under one ad set, and what your ad sets come together under one campaign. So now that we understand that there are three levels, that you have a combination of ads that makes an ad set, and a combination of ad sets that makes a campaign. What are the things we do on the ad level? What are the things we do on the ad set level? And what are the things we do on the campaign level? For the ads level, the ad creative and the ad copy we created is going to be done on this ad level. We are also going to be adding the link to our website in this ad level. Thereafter, we'll now have the ad set level. For the ad set level, we'll be working on the first thing, conversion. So for the conversion event, that is what we are targeting to achieve. In our case, we are targeting to achieve them to submit the form. For the budget, that's the amount of money we want to spend. For the bidding, we usually don't need it for this purpose, but it's just for competition. When it's a competitive situation, bidding is usually used, but in our case, we're not using that. For the audience is the kind of people we want Facebook to show it to, whether it's the whole of Nigeria or specific locations in Nigeria. For the placement is where we want Facebook to put it. Is it only on Facebook or Facebook and Instagram, or Facebook and Instagram and other places? So the last level is the campaign level, and here what we are going to put here is our objective. In the case of the objective, our objective in this case is for us to have people to submit into the form, and it's called leads. But in some other situations, maybe when you're selling a product, you might need to change your objective to purchase. But for our purpose here, it's just for us to select leads as our objective. So the idea basically is this. We have the ads that makes up an ad set, and the ad sets that make up the campaign. For the ads level, these are the things we can change. For the ad set level, these are the things we can change. And for the campaign level, these are the things we can change. Inshallah, I'm going to be showing the practical example of how this is done. Now, for the campaign setup, the major things we're going to be doing is that we are going to be choosing our conversion to be leads. We're also going to be choosing manual setup, because you can choose either manual or automatic. But if you choose manual, you'll be able to choose different locations. But once it's automatic, or sometimes it's called Advantage Plus, once you choose that Advantage Plus, you would not be able to change location as you like. So, and that's why for now I prefer using manual, and I'm going to be showing you that. Then the last thing is the budget. So the budget is the amount you want Facebook to spend. So it's going to tell you your budget per ad set, and you're going to fix an amount for your ad set. So I'm going to be showing you all of this, inshallah. The last thing after that is when we are done setting up all of our ads, we'll need to test it to ensure that every single thing is working properly. And then we'll now start running our ads. So I'm going to be showing you all of this soon, inshallah. The first thing is to go to facebook.com. Thereafter, we come down here to our ads manager. Once we're in the ads manager, we're going to click on create. Now it's going to ask us what we want to achieve. So in our case, what we're interested in is leads. So we're going to click on leads. We're going to click on continue. So it's here we are going to choose whether we want it to be manual or we want it to be automatic, as I said. So but in my case, I'm going to choose manual. I'm going to click on continue. As you can see, we have the ads, ad set, and campaign. Ads, ad set, and campaign. So in my case, I'm going to choose the ads. For the ads, I can rename it. So I can call it Learn Arabic with Ibrahim. Then I'm going to come down and I'm going to choose the Facebook page. In this case, the page I want to choose is Learn with Ibrahim. Thereafter, I'm going to come down again and I'm going to select the image I want to use under the add media. I'll click on it and click on add image. I'll click on upload. I'll click on this and I'll click on So I'm going to click on it, and I'll click on next. And I'm going to click on next. And I'm going to click on done. So for the primary text, we'll be going back to the text we copied from ChatGPT, and we're going to be pasting it here. So the first thing is learn Arabic with Ibrahim. We copy it, and then we paste it. Thereafter, we come here for the headline, and we paste it. It's telling me that some people may not have WhatsApp. So, but let's just neglect it, because our audience would need WhatsApp to join the class. Thereafter, we come to the description. For the description, we're going to copy everything from the start to finish, and we're going to paste it. Thereafter, we're going to put our link to our website. To get the link to our website, we'll need to go back to our TotalReach account. So we go to app.gohighlevel.com. If it's been a while, you need to sign in again. In my case, it's not been long, so I'll go to sites. And once I get to sites, I'm going to see all my websites, and I'm going to click on the one I want. In my case, it's Learn with Ibrahim. So this is the link to my website. So I'll select it, and I'll copy it. And I'm going to go back to Facebook, and then I paste it here. For the browser add-on, we're going to put none. And with that, we're done with the setup. So once you're done, the next thing we need to do is go to the ad set level. For the ad set level, we'll change the name to. So we're going to, we have website selected, and that's what we wanted to select. So we're going to come down here, and we select conversion event. In our case, our conversion event is submit application. Then we scroll down. Thereafter, we select our budget. So we input 5,000 naira. So it could be more, it could be less, but it's just around 5,000. So the maximum it should be is around 6,250 as predicted by Facebook. So we scroll down. For the start time, we're going to schedule the ads to start running by 4 a.m. So usually by 4 a.m. if you schedule it to start running by 4 a.m. once it's in the morning, people will start seeing your ads. Another good time to schedule your ads to is around 3 p.m. in the afternoon, so that by evening when people are coming from their work, they will see it in their Facebook feed. So in my case, I'm going to schedule it to start running tomorrow, 13th, and it's going to be by 4 a.m. So I can leave the end time and date. Then the location, I'm going to leave it as the whole of Nigeria, and that's all. Once I'm done with my ad set, the next thing is to come to my campaign. As for my campaign, I'm going to also call it Learn with Ibrahim, and the objective is correct, leads. And with this, I have everything set up. So what I'm going to do now is come down back to the ads, and this time I'm going to click publish. Shall need the major city? So as you can see, my ad has been set up. So as you can see here, I have account error written here. So the reason for this is because I need to top up my Facebook account. In your case, if you have not run an ad before, what you're going to see here is going to be different. So, but the reason is just because you need to top up your wallet. Usually I advise that before you set up your ads, you top up your wallet with just 100 naira, so that it will be able to test and to be able to start running. So what you will do is you come to billing and payment, and you're going to come here to add funds. Thereafter, you choose pay you. Be careful not to choose this. Make sure you choose pay you. Then in this case, you're going to make it 100 naira, and you're going to click on next. Then you click on open naira payment. You click on continue, and then you will need to input your card details to make the payment. Once you make the payment, it will reflect on your balance, and your ad is going to start running. I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blesses our efforts and makes it better understood than said, and forgives us our shortcomings. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.